Hey, so let's talk about the YNAB, the budget, and also Simplify by Quicken. I'm sure that today you wanna, understand better about these two platforms. And as you know, that YNAB is a budgeting tool, which is also known as you need a budget. The full meaning of YNAB is you need a budget, and it's a budgeting tool that helps users to allocate their income to, specific expense categories to proactively, manage their finances and achieve financial goals using a zero-based budgeting approach. Now, talking about Simplify by Quicken, it's is a personal finance application which is designed to help users to track their spendings, manage their cash flow, and get a clear overview of their financial health with automated transaction categorization and integration with multiple financial accounts. Now, let's talk about the differences between both platform, both tools, and also we use this to understand clearly what both platforms, both tools are capable of doing. And at the end, I'm going to round it up by talking about my recommendation and personal choice between YNAB and Quicken. So sit back and let's ride on this journey. Now, talking about budgeting approach, when it comes to YNAB here, it uses a zero-based budgeting approach which requires users to assign every dollar a job, and this method emphasizes proactive planning and also control over finances. And at the other hand, we have Simplify by Quicken, which focuses more on tracking spendings and managing cash flows with less emphasis on strict budgeting rules. And also, when it comes to user interface, Simplify right here, it offers a visually appealing and modern interface with detailed, dashboard that, presents spending and income insights clearly. And YNAB right here, it has a clean and straightforward interface which is designed to focus on budgeting, and it can feel minimalist to some users actually. Anyway, when we talk about transaction categorization, YNAB right here, it uses manual categorized transactions, and also it provides precise control, but it still requires more effort. So, but when it comes to Simplify, they automatically categorize transactions with a high degree of accuracy and also reducing the manual workload for their users. Talk about rule creation. Simplify right here, they allow the creation of rules for automatic categorization of transaction and also enhancing automation. When it comes to YNAB here, they do not offer advanced rules-based categorization because users need to, manually adjust recurring transactions. Talking about cash flow management, YNAB, they focus on budgeting and planning for future expenses, but they do not have specific cash flow projection tools. But at the other end, is Simplify right here that, it includes a project cash flow and also which features to help, users manage and predict their account balances and expenses over time. Let's talk about account connections. Simplify, it's known for more reliable connectors and handling connection issues proactively. So it's often with visible status update. But when it comes to YNAB right here, they provide reliable account synchronization, though some users may kind of face occasional connections issues. And when it comes to customer support, YNAB is generally praised for responsive and helpful customer support, and they also have strong community forum. But when it comes to Simplify, they also have good customer support and they actively respond to users' feedback, and also they have ongoing improvements based on customers' needs. When we talk about investment tracking, Simplify right here, they include basic investment tracking, and they also allow users to see their investment balances and also related transactions. YNAB here, they primarily focus on budgeting and they do not provide detailed investment tracking feature. Talking about handling of refunds, YNAB here, the refunds must be manually categorized to kind of offset spending categories, and this can be a little bit cumbersome compared to Simplify that they automatically categorize refunds to offset the original spending categories, and this can help to simplify process for you as a user. And when it comes to historical data import, Simplify here, they support bulk importation of transactions and also history from other platforms like Mint, and they often handle large data sets efficiently. And at the other hand, we have YNAB, which supports importing historical data, but they may require more manual adjustments and setups. When it comes to goals and savings, YNAB, they offer robust goal settings feature. They are good for that, and they kind of integrate seamlessly with budgeting. Why when it comes to Simplify, they provide, goal setting options, although they may not be as integrated or detailed as that of YNAB. Talk about mobile app experience. YNAB mobile app mirrors that of desktop experience closely, and it focuses on budgeting and transaction entry. Why Simplify right here? The mobile app is well designed and also emphasize ease of use and access to financial insight on the go. So you can see right there. Talking about learning curve, YNAB, it has a steeper learning curve due to its strict budgeting methodology, and it also requires user to adjust to its unique system. Why when it comes to Simplify, they are easier for new users to pick up. So in case you are even migrating from Mint or any other expense tracking tools. When it comes to pricing, Simplify, they have subscription service, but they often perceive as offering better value for the range of features, and also they have ease of usage. Why when it comes to YNAB here, they also offer a subscription model, but they have a free trial period. So they are more expensive but justified by its unique budgeting approach. The last point I have here is customization and flexibility. YNAB here, they are highly customizable within the constraints of its budgeting framework, which allows users to tailor categories and goals. But right here is Simplify, they offer flexible in setting up accounts, also rules and goals, but they may have less depth in customizations when it comes to that of YNAB. So that is what I have for you in today's video. Talking about my recommendation, well, choosing between YNAB and Simplify, it depends largely on your personal and financial management, styles, and also need. So when it comes to someone who prefer a more hands-on discipline approach to budgeting, and also in case you're willing to invest the time to learn a comprehensive system, then YNAB is likely the best choice, okay? Because YNAB is excellent for those who need strict control over their finances, and also those who have specific savings goals, or maybe you need to get out of debt. So if you want a more user-friendly automated system, then the one that focuses on tracking spending and cash flow management with minimal effort, then you might want to go for Simplify, because it will be more suitable, and it's also ideal for users who are looking for ease of use and also integration with investment accounts and those transitioning from other platforms like Mint. So right here is what I have for you, but based on my own personal choice and based on the detailed analysis and understanding different user needs, I will lean towards YNAB, because despite its learning curve, YNAB is zero-based budgeting system. It's kind of encourage a proactive approach to money management, and this can lead to better long-term financial health. And it's also robust goal settings and community support, kind of enhance its value for several users like me or any other ones who are serious about getting control over our finances. However, it is also crucial to consider your own preference, okay? Consider your financial habits and also consider your specific feature which you value most when it comes to using a financial budgeting tool. So both platforms, they have their strength, and the best choice, it ultimately depends on what aligns best with your financial management style. So in case you've listened to all these and you've picked the one that best suits your need, you can let us know in the comment box and tell us the reason why you pick any one of them, either YNAB or Simplify. And with this, you are able to help other people rub minds together and let other people also understand better what each of these platforms are all about. I believe this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This will help YouTube to push this video to more people and also help them learn from something like this. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you the best of luck. Till we see you in the next video. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.